Hey, I'm Simon. You know, the future is already here, and it's way cooler than you might think. Today, we're diving into the world of futuristic gadgets you didn't even know existed. Trust me, once you see these, you're going to want them right now. Let's kick things off with a gadget that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a device that can translate your speech into any language in real time. Sounds like something from a futuristic spy film, right? Well, it's real. And it's called the PocketTalk Plus. This sleek little device can translate up to 82 languages instantly, making it a must-have for travelers, business people, or anyone wanting to break down language barriers. But here's the twist. It's not just for conversations. You can even use it to translate text from menus, signs, or documents using the built-in camera. Can you imagine how useful that would be while traveling abroad? And the best part? It works offline too. Just think about how this could change the way we connect with people all around the globe. But hold on, because this next gadget might just blow your mind. Meet the Air Selfie drone. No, it's not just any drone. It's a pocket-sized flying camera that takes your selfies to a whole new level. Forget about selfie sticks or awkward angles. This tiny drone hovers in the air, snaps perfect aerial shots, and even records video. Just toss it in the air and it stabilizes itself. It's not just a fun toy though. Think about all the practical uses: capturing amazing travel footage, group photos without a tripod, or just recording life from a whole new perspective. And with built-in AI, it can track your movements and keep you centered in the frame. Imagine taking photos from impossible angles. Pretty awesome, right? But wait, we're just getting started. Up next is something that feels like it's from a spy movie: the Mudra Band for your Apple Watch. This revolutionary band allows you to control your watch with just a flick of your finger. That's right, no touching the screen at all. It uses neural signals from your wrist to detect hand gestures, letting you navigate your watch while your hands are full. Picture this: you're carrying groceries and a call comes in. Just flick your finger and the watch answers it for you. Or you're jogging and you want to change the song. Just a quick gesture does the trick. It's hands-free tech at its best, and it could seriously change the way we interact with wearable devices. Speaking of revolutionary tech, have you ever thought about a jacket that can actually heat itself? Introducing the Aurora Heated Jacket. It looks just like a stylish, everyday coat, but hidden within the fabric are carbon fiber heating elements. With the push of a button, it warms up, giving you 3 levels of heat to choose from. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. That means you can stay cozy during winter commutes, camping trips, or outdoor events without ever worrying about being cold. And yes, it's completely washable too. You might just end up wanting to wear this jacket even when it's not freezing outside. All right, I know what you're thinking. What's next? How about a gadget that can read your mind? Well, not exactly, but it's close. The Muse 2 headband is designed to monitor your brain activity and help you meditate like a pro. It uses EEG sensors to track your brainwaves, heart rate, and breathing patterns, giving you real-time feedback on your mental state. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just measure your stress levels, it actively guides you into a more relaxed state by playing calming sounds when your brain is too active. Imagine knowing exactly when your mind is drifting during meditation and being gently nudged back to focus. It's like having a personal mindfulness coach wrapped around your head. Now, if you thought that was impressive, just wait until you see the next one. Ever heard of a smart mirror that not only shows your reflection, but also tracks your health? The Care OS Smart Mirror does just that. It's like having a personal health dashboard right in your bathroom. With facial recognition, it can track changes in your skin health, recommend skincare routines, and even guide you through exercises or relaxation techniques. Plus, it's voice activated, so you can get updates on your health stats without even lifting a finger. Imagine starting your day with a health check and personalized wellness tips right from your mirror. But don't go anywhere. We're about to explore a gadget so futuristic it almost feels like magic. And trust me, you won't believe what it can do. Alright, let's dive back into the world of futuristic gadgets that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Remember how we talked about gadgets that seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, get ready for something truly next level. Introducing the Grav Grip. This little device might look simple, but it's actually an innovative gravity-powered camera stabilizer. Unlike traditional gimbals that rely on batteries or motors, Grav Grip uses fluid dynamics to keep your shots stable and smooth. Imagine this. You're hiking through rough terrain or filming an action sequence, and you need your camera to stay steady. Just attach your smartphone or action camera to the Grav Grip, and it automatically balances itself without any power source. No charging, no recalibration, just pure physics at work. It's compact, waterproof, and super easy to use, making it a must-have for content creators and adventure seekers alike. But wait, there's another gadget on this list that's both futuristic and surprisingly practical. You know how it feels to lose track of your stuff, right? Well, the Chipolo One Spot is here to make sure that never happens again. This smart tracker pairs with Apple's Find My network, allowing you to locate your items with pinpoint accuracy. Just attach it to your keys, bag, or even your pet's collar, and you'll always know where they are. But here's the real game changer. It has a super loud ring, so even if your item is buried under a pile of laundry, you can find it with ease. Plus, it's compatible with Siri, so you can just say, "Hey Siri, find my keys," and the Chipolo will start ringing. This tiny gadget is not just about convenience, it's about peace of mind. And speaking of peace of mind, let's talk about something that feels like it's from the future, the BioLite Fire Pit Plus. Imagine having a campfire that doesn't leave you covered in smoke. This fire pit uses patented airflow technology to create a nearly smokeless flame. It's portable, lightweight, and can burn both wood and charcoal. But here's the twist. It's Bluetooth enabled. That's right. You can control the size of the flame and the airflow directly from your smartphone. Picture this. You're sitting around the fire with friends, and instead of moving around to dodge the smoke, you just adjust the settings from your phone. Plus, it doubles as a grill, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Now, if you're into futuristic gadgets, this next one will definitely catch your attention. The Atmotube Pro is a portable air quality monitor that tracks pollution, allergens, and even temperature and humidity in real time. It's compact enough to clip to your bag or belt, and it constantly updates you on the quality of the air you're breathing. But here's what sets it apart. It sends alerts when the air quality drops, helping you avoid polluted areas or allergens. Whether you're hiking, commuting, or just at home, this device empowers you to take control of your environment. Imagine being able to make healthier choices simply by knowing what's in the air around you. And finally, let's wrap up with a gadget that's practically redefining personal transportation. The One-Wheel Pint X. It's not just a skateboard or a scooter. It's a self-balancing, electric-powered ride that feels like surfing on land. With a top speed of 18 miles per hour and a range of 12 miles on a single charge, it's both fast and reliable. What makes it even cooler is the way it responds to your body movements. Lean forward to speed up, lean back to slow down. It's intuitive, agile, and insanely fun to ride. Plus, with LED headlights and a built-in handle, it's practical for daily commutes or just cruising around town. So, there you have it. 7 futuristic gadgets you didn't know existed, but definitely need right now. Each one of these devices offers something unique. Whether it's solving a problem, enhancing your lifestyle, or just making you feel like you're living in the future. But here's a question for you. Which one of these gadgets would you actually use? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cool tech discoveries every week. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.